Do you want to learn how to make $5,000 a month on Instagram without ever creating your own content? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step process using powerful tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Pinterest, CapCut, and more. Stick around because you don't want to miss the actionable tips and strategies we're about to share. Segment 1. The concept. Instagram is not just a social media platform. It's one of the most profitable avenues for online entrepreneurs today. The best part: you don't need to create your own content to tap into its potential. Instead, you can leverage existing content and give it your unique twist to grow and monetize an account effectively. First, decide on a niche. Popular niches include fitness, travel, motivation, fashion, tech, and personal development. The key is to select a niche that's evergreen, meaning it has lasting appeal, and has high engagement among users. This ensures you'll always have an audience that's interested in your content. Take some time to research trending topics in your chosen niche and identify what resonates with your target audience. Segment 2. Gathering content. Once you've picked your niche, it's time to gather content. Head over to Pinterest, which is a goldmine for high-quality visuals and inspirational quotes that you can repurpose for Instagram. Use specific keywords related to your niche to find posts that align with your brand vision and aesthetic. Save these images and quotes to a designated folder for easy access. Next, utilize ChatGPT to generate engaging captions, relevant hashtags, and even creative post ideas. For example, if your niche is motivation, ask ChatGPT to provide you with 10 motivational quotes or clever captions that resonate with your audience. This not only saves you time but also ensures your content is fresh and engaging. Segment 3. Designing content with Canva. Now that you have a collection of visuals, it's time to make your content unique and eye-catching. Canva is the perfect tool for this. Import your images from Pinterest or explore Canva's free library of photos and templates. Add your niche-specific quotes or captions generated by ChatGPT. And voila! You've got a professional-looking Instagram post in just a few minutes. Consider experimenting with different layouts, fonts, and color schemes to align with your brand identity. Consistency in design helps build brand recognition, so make sure your posts have a cohesive look and feel. Segment 4. Enhancing content with CapCut. For those looking to create video content, CapCut is a game changer. This user-friendly video editing app allows you to create short, engaging videos by combining clips from royalty-free platforms like Pexels or Pixabay. You can add text overlays, smooth transitions, and upbeat background music to make your videos pop and keep your audience engaged. Remember, Instagram Reels and Stories thrive on short, catchy content that captures attention quickly. Consider incorporating trending audio clips and challenges into your videos to increase visibility and engagement. This not only enhances your content but also keeps it relevant and relatable to your audience. Segment 5. Consistent uploading strategy. Now that your content is ready, remember that consistency is key. Aim to upload at least once a day on Instagram to keep your audience engaged and attract new followers. Utilize Instagram's built-in scheduling tool or third-party apps like Buffer to plan your posts in advance. This way, you can maintain a steady flow of content without the stress of daily posting. Analyze your audience's activity patterns to determine the best times to post for maximum engagement. Experiment with different posting times and days to find what works best for your account. Segment 6. Monetization techniques. With your Instagram account growing, here are 3 effective ways to start making money. Affiliate marketing. Partner with brands in your niche and promote their products using your unique affiliate link. You can earn a commission for every sale made through your link. Research and choose products that genuinely resonate with your audience to build trust. Sponsored posts. As your follower count increases, companies will pay you to showcase their products to your audience. Even micro-influencers can make anywhere from $100 to $500 per post, depending on engagement rates and niche. Selling digital products. Consider creating and selling digital guides, templates, or ebooks related to your niche. Use Canva to design these effortlessly. Digital products have low overhead costs and can generate passive income over time. Segment 7. Scaling beyond Instagram. Why stop at Instagram? Repurpose your content for platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Pinterest. This strategy multiplies your reach without requiring additional effort. CapCut makes it easy to format videos for each platform, allowing you to maintain a consistent brand presence across various channels. By diversifying your content distribution, you can attract a wider audience and increase your monetization opportunities. Each platform has its unique audience and engagement style, so tailor your content accordingly. And there you have it. By leveraging tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Pinterest, CapCut, and Instagram, you can build a profitable online business without creating original content. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Your journey to financial freedom starts now.